Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to fix YouTube TV playback error. First step is check your internet connection. Ensure your internet speed meets YouTube TV requirements: 3 megabytes per second for SD streaming, 7 megabytes per second for HD streaming, 13 megabytes per second for 4K or multiple streams. Restart your modem and router to refresh the connection. Test other streaming apps to confirm the issue isn't internet related. Step number 2, restart your device. Power off your streaming device, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back and restart. That was step number 2. Step number 3, update the YouTube TV app. Check for updates in your device's app store to ensure you are using the latest version. App updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step number 4, clear cache and app data. For mobile devices, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube TV, Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. For streaming devices, follow device-specific instructions to clear the app cache. Step number 5, verify device compatibility. Ensure your device is compatible with YouTube TV. Older devices may not fully support the latest app updates. Step number 6, lower streaming quality. In the YouTube TV app, click on the gear icon during playback. Select a lower streaming resolution to reduce the strain on your internet connection. Step number 7, check YouTube TV server status. Visit Down Detector to see if YouTube TV is experiencing an outage. If an outage is reported, wait for YouTube TV to resolve the issue. Step number 8, reinstall the YouTube TV app. Uninstall the app from your device. Reinstall it from your app store to resolve potential software corruption. Step number 9, disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it. YouTube TV may block playback due to location-related restrictions. Step number 10, contact YouTube TV support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact YouTube TV support team through their help center for further assistance. And that's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.